What is a VPN? Well, I've actually done a video like this where I list the 5 best free VPN. You can check it out through the card above. A VPN gives online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. It basically helps you to protect your online privacy. It's a very good and useful software that you can use. They have a lot of them out there available for you to use. It helps you to get service encrypted connections, and also a VPN is an essential privacy tool when you're logging onto an internet from a coffee shop, because those networks could easily be hacked or could easily be used by an hacker. You can actually access those. And how does a VPN work? Well, a VPN use is important for online privacy whenever you're logging into an internet connection, basically to protect your online privacy. And why do you need a VPN? A VPN helps to transform your connection to the internet into a safer and more secure experience. That's basically what it does. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to set up a VPN. So setting up Proton VPN on PC is very easy. You have your IP there, and you can see, I'll leave the link to download this down in the description box, and you can see you can select a few states. We have the United States, we have a bunch of free, and you also have premium version. This is the free version that I'm running right now, so we can't get everything. For the free version we get limited, so we can actually just connect to that. So it's authenticating the user and it's trying to connect to the network. So once it's connected to the network gets protected from different and various type of things. As you can see, we have the network connected to the United States right now. As you can see, it's already connected, and you can actually get a map right there which you can actually zoom in and zoom out of. It's a very easy and useful thing. Say you want to view a program on Netflix and it's not available in your country, you can actually use this VPN to get it from different countries that are available in. Just switch to the country's location and you basically do that. And also the map right here, it gets to tell you where you are on the map, the actual states that you are on the map. And we have a bunch of readings down here also that is available for you to use. Very easy. You can also switch between countries. We have Netherlands, Japan. Actually the rest are actually paid for. You get 3 free countries, which is kind of a lot, which actually helps you to protect your online connectivity and privacy. It's a very good option and alternative. Now, Proton VPN on Android is almost the same thing as the iOS when it comes to the Proton VPN on mobile devices. It's basically the same. You can see we have it right here. It looks like the PC. Very easy. As you can see, we just select the Japan and we have the free right here, and we also have the premium for the countries also. It's right here. You can actually get it right here, premium countries also. You can actually upgrade also. It's a few dollars per month and actually helps a lot. So I'll just select that and I'll connect to the network. So you just have to click on OK and you click on OK, so it actually connects to the network right now. It's connecting. Also we have the map and we have the profiles also, maps and profile also, and it's connected already. So you can actually save the profile to keep it saved on your phone, so when you want to log in next time, you just click on it when you get to the profile section. Very easy. Just like the map also, it's pretty much available. It looks just like the one on the system, the laptop, so you can just actually zoom in and you see the country or the states where you're actually connected to. And as you can see, we have the profiles here. You can actually create a new profile. Like I've just said, you can create a new profile, and I think that's basically it. Also, you can click on the Proton VPN logo at the bottom of the page to disconnect, and you can click on it again to connect, but it's going to select another country. Netherlands is connecting to the Netherlands server right now. It's already connected. Very easy. You can save the profile also, like I've said. Very easy. Save the profile, so next time you just connect easily. I think that's basically it. So that's it. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and ding the notification bell. This took a lot to put together, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.